Ladies and gentlemen, an American flag is always folded into a triangle to remind us of our first veterans that fought in our Revolutionary War. Many of them wore a three-cornered hat. And this flag reminds us that they won our freedoms. But this flag also reminds us of the many men and women who came after their father, who, although being in a different country, fought for our country's values and for our freedom also. On behalf of the President of the United States, this flag is presented to you from a grateful nation for what your father has most honorably served our great country. In honored memory of Soob Ntxawg, is it correct? Who served with the Royal Lao government. This veteran has served most honorably as a soldier in the fight against communism for the Royal Lao government and was part of the United States secret war in Laos. His faithful service for his country and for America makes him an unsung but true American hero. America is grateful for the service he provided. Very sorry for your loss. Honor Guard. Present arms. Order arms. In memory of this departed veteran, let us observe a brief moment of silence. Port arms, reverse arms. Honor guard, port arms, order arms. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our part of the service. We know there will be more service for it that you are going to do. So if you just give us a minute to pick up, we'll get our stuff, and we'll also gather the cartridges and present them to family. Once again,